Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, now by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Here we have to pick the settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings. Now at the first place we have volume button function, so when we pick it, we can decide to use this as volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. Let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera now. And let me try to use these buttons once again. Now, as you can see, I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on the volume keys. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.